So, good morning. The plan for today is to take you around my apartment. But this is not going to be just an apartment tour. Everybody's done that. You've seen everybody's apartment in China. Yeah, they're very nice. We don't pay a lot of money. My employer pays the majority of that. Yeah, I've shown you. I can see the river outside. Yeah, it's all very nice. But it's all very nice. But the interesting thing is, what is the stuff that you can see? And today, the tour is going to be about all the foreign goods you can buy in China. Because some people think when you come to China, you're going to miss everything that you buy in the West. Yeah, there are some things that you miss, some things you can live without. Well, you learn to live without them. But in the main, there's loads of stuff you can buy here in China from the West. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you everything in my apartment that we bought in China at the local supermarket, not on Taobao or any of the online companies, but what we actually can buy in our local shops here in Hangzhou in Zhejiang province. So let's go and have a look. So this is Fluffy Bum. We didn't buy him, and so we're going to go straight into the bathroom. This is our bathroom, one of two bathrooms, and let's start in the shower. Okay, look at this. Schwarzkopf, German. Femfresh. I guess that's British or American. Dove shampoo gel. My wife's shampoo gel. This is a Canadian. More Femfresh. So the shower, we've got quite a bunch of foreign goods. Here's some more Schwarzkopf stuff, German. Let's see what else we got here. We got some grapeseed oil, Italy. No, Spain. Well, there's the flag, Spain. Baby oil, Johnson's, German baby oil. I make my shaving gel. Breath mints, Wrigley's. Now, Wrigley's is an American company, I believe, but Wrigley's do have a factory in my hometown of Plymouth in the UK. Here are my toothbrushes for my electric toothbrush, which are Oral-B. And here we have some Australia creams from Australia. More Australia creams. What else do we have? Italian cleaner. Or down here. What the toilet. Mr. Muscle. It's an American company. And we've got bleach. Clorox bleach. That's an American company. What else do we have? Mouthwash. This is from Jordan. And this says there, Jordan. Sensodyne toothpaste. That's Western. Face masks. I think these are German. American, German, I'm not sure. French. I suppose I could look on the back. Oh, English, made in Swansea, made in Wales. So yeah, so it's more my my Braun electric toothbrush, and in our medicine, Tylenol cold. What else do we have? Tylenol. I bet there's a bunch of stuff in there, but I'm not going to. Oh, Ventolin. My Ventolin. I don't know if this is produced in China, but it's what my doctor. It's Galaxo Welcome. Australia. Spain, Australia. So it's probably coming from Australia. So that's the bathroom. That's just the room where we keep everything. Here's our second bathroom, which my wife uses. So, I mean, you know, Listerine. You can get Listerine, Aussie stuff, Nivea. You know, you get all the stuff girls need. Vaseline, hand cream, hand wash. I mean, you know, I don't know much about this stuff. Oh, more Aussie cream, goat's milk, German stuff, I think, or is that American? Montreal, Canadian, New York. So yeah, so you can see lots of foreign stuff. You don't need to worry about it too much, about what you can and what you cannot buy. Let's go round to the kitchen. Well, kitchen balcony. Swimming pool down there. It's not in use yet, but Italian. Cisco Bambini, is it Italian? Lenore, yeah, looks like Italian. Oh, Switzerland. Omo is a big Western brand. What do we have over here? Do we have anything over here? More Mr. Muscle stuff. What's this? Collar cleaner. It's no, Australia. More Omo stuff down there. Washing powder, washing liquid. German. So you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff. Italian, or is that Spanish? Via Montesanto, made in Italy. Good old Tesco's coffee. And you can see we've got Tesco's coffee, Hershey's cocoa, Tesco's finest coffee, IKEA, coffee from IKEA, Sweden. So stuff from all around the world. Kopiko, this is Indonesia, coffee, Indonesia. More coffee. I think this is Japan. Yeah, made in Japan. So yeah, everything in here. So let's go and have a look at the rest of the kitchen. So this is a kitchen. What we got here? Tesco's jam, Skippy peanut butter, Almond Hammer, baking soda. Anything else in there? I don't know. Yeah, and here's some of the other empties. Tesco, Clear Honey. Tesco is a big supermarket chain in the UK, for those of you who don't know. French apricot jam. More Mr. Muscle. More Italian stuff. More of this stuff. What else do we have in here that is possibly the salt? Salt. We use Australian salt. Don't know if there's any packing. Pineapple slices from Indonesia. Del Monte. I don't know if there's anything in there particularly interesting. And down in this cupboard, what we got down here? We've got Nestle chocolate sauce, Heinz Thousand Island dressing, American yellow mustard, product of Germany, honey mustard dressing for the salads, Australian snowflake salt, yep, so that's everything in there. For the dog we got pedigree chum. For the cats, is this foreign? Yeah, we got Sheba for the cats. It's got Thailand there. So even the dogs and the cats are catered for. Australian wine, Baileys, Goose Island beer, cider, Australian Chardonnay, more coffee, Lavazza, Australian oats there. We got some more down here. Australian, I think these are Australian, or maybe not. Czech Republic, oats from the Czech Republic. And this stuff for the fish is American, and this is for the fish tank. Yeah, that's American as well. So most things you can see are foreign, as I've shown you. Yeah, so that's we're going to the front room now. This is our front room with the view. Bit of a misty view of the river. So I don't think we've got too much in here. Empty bottle of vodka. What else? Bundaberg being used as a flower bottle. What else? What else do we have here? We've got my wife's MacBook here. You can get American. You can get American vitamins and stuff here. What else? That's not stuff. I don't know. But yeah. So just a quick whiz around my apartment. Again, more coffee, Nescafe. You can get Nescafe coffee instant coffee. So we're back in my study. This is where all the magic happens. I have biscuits. You can get biscuits, McVitie's biscuits. Unfortunately this one's empty. We're just using the tin. Vitamins, yeah, stuff for the printer, of course the printer over there. Yeah, so that's the tour. Books. So if you're thinking of coming to China, you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff. All that stuff we get from our local shops. We don't have to go right downtown, and we're on the outskirts of Hangzhou. We don't have to go all the way downtown to big supermarkets that's got, you know, maybe more foreign stuff. This is just at our local supermarket in Shasha, in the Shasha area of Hangzhou. Yeah, we have to get a DD there, but you know, it's 15 minutes away, 20 minutes away, and we can get all the stuff we need. All the stuff. There are some things that maybe you might have to go online for, but those are very often specialist stuff. So if you are coming to China, don't worry, you can live a very nice life. So I hope you enjoyed that little trip around our apartment, and so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and go and watch some of my other stuff. And if you've got any questions, give me a comment below, and I'll be happy to answer them. So bye for now.